Okay, we are going to go ahead and take a look at one of the problems that several of you had a question about last night, and that was number 7 on your homework. The question is, if I have 72 liters of carbon dioxide gas held at a pressure of 3.40 atm and a temperature of 225 Kelvin, how many grams of gas do I have? And so step 1 in any gas law problem is going to be to write down all of the given information, which is exactly what I've done right here on the board. So now when we see this, we know that it's not combined gas law because we only see one set of data. And we do see this mass, which means we're going to be using our ideal gas law, which is PV equals nRT. Pressure, volume. Remember, N represents the number of moles. R is a constant that can be two different values, 0.0821 or 8.31. Those are the two that we'll be using. We're going to use the 0.0821 if our pressure is given in ATM, and if the pressure is given in kPa, we use 8.31. And then our final variable here is temperature. So let's just go ahead and plug in the values that we were given. We know that pressure is 3.40, and again, notice that that's an ATM times the volume is 72.0 liters equals N. I do not know the number of moles. Since the pressure was given in ATM, and of course our volume's already in liters, we're going to use the constant 0.0821 times, I'm running out of room, scoot up a little bit, the temperature is 225 Kelvin. And so from there, it's an algebra problem. We're just going to solve for moles. Give me just a second, please, as I put that into my calculator. And you should be doing the same. And so you unfortunately can't see the way that I put it in my calculator, but when we put that in, we're going to end up with 13.25 moles. And remember, that's carbon dioxide gas. And so think about what we just finished talking about in Unit 7 with mole and molar conversions and stoichiometry, which this isn't stoichiometry, but the question I'm going to ask you is, can we take 13.25 moles of carbon dioxide and can we figure out how many grams that is? And your response at this point should be, of course we can, Ms. Vaughn, because we remember how to do this. We know that 1 mole of carbon dioxide weighs how much? Think about what number goes here. It's the same thing we've been doing, guys. This is our molar mass. And if you haven't memorized it by now, CO2 weighs about 44 grams. So now we're going to take that 13.25 moles times 44 grams, and we end up with 583 grams of carbon dioxide. So it's exactly what we've been doing. We're just taking it definitely another step further.